Jotonai tonglai mai contest pura YouTube channel lam soko jotono abongke Tripura Police Constable ni bagai kaisa official website o notification ongkormani abongke date 19 September 2024 19 September 2024 ongkormani abongke notice kaisa rakha abongke puliano kaisa request jotono kebatini ani YouTube channel o nai tongkha subscribe khai kongke subscribe khainadi tai bell icon sina tapokdi ketal video upload khaipro notification thang songani bagai recruitment notice date 2010-2022 for recruitment 1000 police constable men and women in Tripura Police. Jara Tripura Police Constable selate beri apply khlaijak written exam shortlist ongkone bongni bagai or notification nai personal interaction ni bagai notification kaisa jari khaimani borogama the list of candidates who shall be called for personal interaction test shall be prepared in order of merit in the written test. 05 candidates will be shortlisted against one vacancy each category and multiple thereof. O jaga mention khai tongo friend chong kaisa aboke ek number ongka bahai written test o shortlist ongkhnai boro personal interaction bagai ba interview ni bagai merit list borokni ongkhnai borok hingke interview o ekta vacancy ni bagai 5 jon khe ringjaknai eba aboni bisike ongnai abaike notification borok jaga jari khaika second o sijak tongo it also mention here that candidates secure mark equal to that of the last qualified candidates in the written examination shall also be called for a personal interaction. 2 number ka bahai jara candidate mark same to same ang tongnai rok eba ka solai mark angai tongnai bongnobo ringjangnai interview ni bagai oro saklaijak abahaike third notification o jaga sijak tongo 3 number o jak tongo NCC certificate holder has been given incentive bonus mark as per government of Tripura Home Department memorandum number o jaga jak to mention khaijak tai date get 24/08/2021 and requirement notice that 2010-2022 obongke jara NCC certificate tongnai rok hingke incentive bonus mark bongno rjaknai bonong bagai kaisa notification nongno share khaikya obongke Tripura Police Constable jara brai tai chela apply khlaijak tai written test shortlist ongkhnai bongni bagai notification abo rjaka